Hello friends, welcome to Stable Turning Point. First of all, thank you so much for your appreciation for the last video, that is part number 8 of Behavioral Finance and Behavioral Economics series, in which I have explained about loss aversion bias. In the next video, I wanted to explain about what is the rational choice, rational decision as per behavioral finance and behavioral economics. But I thought, why don't we understand first rational choice as per traditional economics, how they are criticized by the modern behavioral economist. So in this video I will explain about rational economic main concept as per traditional economic. In next video I will explain about rational choice, rational decisions as per the behavioral economic. So you must have seen the learning objective on the screen. So in this video I will explain about what is rational economic main concept, what are the fundamental assumptions lying behind the rational economic main, and what are the criticism to rational economic main. So this is a very important video, please watch till the end. Rational economic main are found in traditional economics, somewhere it is called homeo economic also. Traditional economic has a simple model of human economic behavior, which are based on three assumptions. The first assumption is perfect rationality, second is principle of perfect self-interest, and third is perfect information governed economic decision. So now we will see the meaning of these assumptions and their criticism part also. So first assumption is about perfect rationality. In perfect rationality, it is assumed that humans are rational. Humans have the ability to give reasoning and logic, and they are able to make beneficial decisions. As the study and research is started about behavioral economics, those contemporary economists and psychologists gave more importance and emphasis on the human behaviors. Many psychologists believe that human intellectuals is actually subservient to human emotions, and human is less product of logic than of subjective impulses like fear, greed, love, hate, pleasure and pain. Human use their intellect only to avoid or achieve these emotional outcomes. As per the second assumption of perfect self-interest, it is assumed that human choices, human decisions from economic point of view are taken for self-interest. But in criticism, many examples are given where perfect self-interest is not present, like philanthropy, sacrifice, kindness to strangers. If humans are perfect self-interest, then many unselfish activities like helping to needy, serving in military should not be performed voluntarily. And perfect self-interest should also rule out self-destructive behavior such as suicide, alcoholism and other bad behaviors also. Third assumption of rational economic main is about perfect information governed economic decision. So it is assumed rational economic men are perfect information. Rational economic man has perfect information. In criticism of third assumption, only some people may have perfect or near perfect information on certain subjects like a doctor or a dentist, but it is impossible that everyone enjoy the perfect knowledge of every subject. In the world of investing, there is infinite amount of knowledge and learning. Even most successful investors are not master of all subject. So this was all about rational economic main as per traditional economics. In the next video I will explain about what is rational decision, what is rational choice as per behavioral economic. As you know, this is a series of video on behavioral finance and behavioral economic, and every video is related to previous videos to a great extent. So please subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so that you can learn behavioral finance and behavioral economics from step by step and from scratch to advanced level. Please hit like and share with any aspirant learner of behavioral finance and behavioral economics. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.